After delaying the launch by 1 year, the UK-based smartphone brand Nothing is all set to introduce its new generation flagship smartphone, the Phone 3, globally. The company will launch its mid-range devices, the Nothing Phone 3A and Phone 3A Pro, with the flagship Phone 3 launching later this year. We expect some design alternations, but major hardware upgrades to support AI-powered features. Nothing Phone 3 surfaced on Geekbench with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It had 8GB RAM on board, ran Android 15, and scored 1,149 and 2,813 points in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. We hope Nothing Phone 3 uses triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 4,700 mAh battery. We expect a bump in capacity, aiming at 5,000 mAh for Phone 3. The last generation Nothing supports 45W fast wired charging and 15W wireless. Nothing Phone 2 launched at $600, but with several design and software upgrades expected in Phone 3, we might expect a slight price increase. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.